Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to add a ripple effect to text. Let's get started. Go to the Apps tab and search for Type Gradient. Use this app to apply a gradient color effect to your text. In the main text area, type Ocean. Set your preferred font style and color. Then click the Add to Design button. Since ripple effects cannot be directly applied to text, we need to first convert the text into an image. Right-click on the text and select Download Selection from the options. Once downloaded, create a new page and upload the text image into the workspace to proceed. Duplicate the text where you want to add the ripple effect. Divide both texts in half and apply the ripple effect to the bottom text. Search for the Liquify app. Click Melt to add an effect to your text. Take some time to adjust and play around with the settings until you're satisfied. Then click Save. Copy the text with the ripple effect to a new page and download it as a PNG. Now go to the Apps tab and search for the Transform Image app. Upload the PNG with the ripple effect. Hold left-click and drag up or down to transform the image. Click Add to Design when done. Place the text in one half and the ripple effect text in the other. You can use Magic Eraser tool to delete some part of the text. Once complete, lower the opacity of the bottom text. fun experimenting with these effects to create stunning designs. Until next time, happy designing!